How to hide likes on Facebook. So first is you have to go to your Facebook application here, and it will lead you to your homepage, basically your feed area. Now the next thing is on the bottom part, you will see the three dash lines there. The menu, you just have to tap on that, and then on the upper right, you will see the settings. Just tap on settings there, and under preferences, there are a lot of options there that you can customize your experience on Facebook. So you have newsfeed, reaction preferences, notifications, so on and so forth. So you have to go to reaction preferences here. And then here you will see hide number of reactions. Now here you can actually hide the number of reactions on posts from others or on your very own post. So it actually depends on you. So if you tap on posts from others, so you won't be able to see the total number of reactions for posts others share to their newsfeed. On the other hand, if you tap on your posts, other people won't be able to see the total number of reactions under posts that you have shared on your profile. If you want both, then you just have to tap on that. And now you have updated it and you have hidden your number of reactions. And basically, that is how you hide likes on Facebook. And if it doesn't work, make sure to check if you have updated your Facebook application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.